Welcome! In front of me I have RoHS Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen and find the language option. And once you find the language option, tap on it to enter. And here you should see this option called auto sync, and by default it probably will be enabled. But to change the language on our watch, we need to disable it. So let me reopen the settings actually, because like this. Okay, so to change the language, we need to tap on auto sync, select off, and once you turn off auto sync, you will see that the language option is not grayed out anymore. We can tap on it, so tap on it, and here we have the list of languages we can select from. Find the language you want to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied on your watch. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.